Meaning of fourthly.
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 Fourthly. Fourthly is an adverb that indicates the fourth item or point in a series or sequence. It is often used to organize information or ideas in a logical and clear manner, especially in academic or professional writing. By using fourthly, the writer signals to the reader that a new point is being introduced, which helps to avoid confusion and improve clarity. In summary, fourthly is a useful transitional word for indicating the fourth point in a series or sequence and can be helpful in improving the structure and organization of written work.